Reservations dialogue.
Good afternoon. This is Capitol Hotels in Washington, D.C. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to schedule a reservation for this upcoming weekend from Friday night until Sunday.
Sure. Let me check and see what rooms are available. Do you need a room with one bed or two?
My wife and I will be visiting the city, but a room with one bed will be just fine.
All right. It looks like we have several rooms available. Would you care for a room with a balcony?
A single room with no balcony will suit our needs just fine. I did notice on your website that you have a pool and an exercise room. Are these facilities available for all hotel guests?
Yes, all hotel guests are allowed access to those facilities. The hotel stay also includes breakfast. We have a restaurant on site that also serves lunch and dinner, but those meals are not included in your lodging fee.
Okay, that's fine. What time are both check-in and check-out?
Check-in, for you on Friday, can be any time after 3 p.m. Check-out will be on Sunday before noon.
Sounds great.
I am glad that I could help you today. Is there anything else that you need at this point in time?
Would you like my credit card information now, or can I take care of that upon my arrival to the hotel's reception desk?
We can handle payment upon your arrival on Friday. We look forward to seeing you then.
Thank you. I look forward to my stay.
Enjoy the rest of your week.
Did you understand the text? It's time to answer the questions.